Hi everybody, welcome to Turkish lessons. My name is Yasin Rak. Today, guys, I would like to help you learn how to use suffixes for time telling. Upon one of our followers on YouTube request, they wanted us to how to learn how to use suffixes for time telling or for other forms of words. Then I will just actually focus on time telling. Vowels and consonants, how we change this in Turkish. So guys, to say for example geçiyor, which means half or quarter past, so we use I if the vowel is ending with I or E. Okay guys, for example, it's blah blah past 1. On the right side you see English sentences, which is incomplete. Same as here on the left in Turkish sentences. Look, I use here I, so if the vowel finishes with I or E. Okay guys, for example, what I mean here is, look, saat bir i, bir i blah blah geçiyor. Look, I, there's E. Okay, E. If we use E here as you see here, so we put E. Bir i. So this is suffix. Okay guys. Saat bir i blah blah blah geçiyor. Same as here. It is blah blah past 1. Saat biri blah blah geçiyor. Saat ikiyi, look, there is I, E. Okay, letter E in Turkish. So that's why we put here E. So this is, guys, connecting word. İkiyi blah blah geçiyor. Okay. Saat 5. Look, letter E. Okay, I don't want to confuse actually your mind. Okay, I will say all letters in English to help you learn easily. Look, E letter here, as I said here before, if it finishes with E vowel, so we put I. Look, there is I. Okay, guys, this is the suffix. Saat 5'i blah blah geçiyor. Saat 8'i blah blah geçiyor. Look, there is I. So this is the vowel suffix I. Okay, guys. Alright, I hope it's clear enough for you. Let's repeat one more time. Saat 1'i blah blah geçiyor. Saat 2'yi blah blah geçiyor. Saat 5'i blah blah geçiyor. Saat 8'i blah blah geçiyor. Same as here on the right side. Okay, let's see the other vowels which finishes with O or U. So if it finishes with O or U, so we put U. For example, saat 10. On means 10. Time, it's 10. Blah blah blah geçiyor. Example here, it's blah blah past 10. Okay guys. Saat 10. Look, there is O. That's why if we use O here, so we will complete it with a suffix of U. On U. Onu. Saat 10'u blah blah geçiyor. Saat 9 U. So it finishes with U. That's why I put here U, guys, suffix. Okay, because of the rule. Saat 9'u blah blah geçiyor. So if the vowel ends with I, letter, not I, this is Okay, guys. So if it finishes with so we put For example, saat 6, So here we use suffix which is a connecting word with Y. Okay, guys. So saat 6'yı blah blah geçiyor. Example, it's blah blah past 6. You can put any number here you want to tell the time, guys. Okay, I hope it's clear enough for you. Let's see now how we use quarter to or blah blah to. Okay, guys. So in Turkish we say var, or you can say kala. Var or kala. Examples: if vowels finishes with e, I, u. Okay, I will say them in Turkish letters. E, I, u. If any words finishes with this, so we put as suffix, guys. Okay, example: saat üç, e. Be careful, guys. Bear in mind, we use here to, not past. Okay, so that's why we use here e. Saat 3 blah blah var. 3'e. Saat 2'ye. I, ü, suffix e. Saat 2'ye blah blah var. Saat 4 var. Saat 4'e. Actually, when we speak, guys, we turn this letter T into D. So we say saat 4'e, not 4'e. Okay, we don't use this at all. So we turn this letter T into D. So saat 4'e blah blah var. Saat 5 blah blah var. Saat 5'e blah blah var. Okay, guys. So here finishes e, ö, i, ü. So these are the vowels in Turkish. So how do we complete them? With which letter? E. As you see here, e. This is a connecting word, Y. That's it. So let's repeat one more time. Repeat it with me, guys, if you want. Saat 3'e blah blah var. Saat 2'ye blah blah var. Saat 4'e blah blah var. Saat 5'e blah blah var. Guys, I didn't tell in time here. You can complete it with any of them. It's up to you. So let's see the other vowels ending with O, U. Okay, I will say them in Turkish letter actually. O, U, I. O, U, I. If any words finishes with these vowels, so to complete this with a suffix which is a. Okay, a. For example, saat 10. A blah blah var. It's blah blah to 10. It's blah blah to 9. Saat 10 a blah blah var. Saat 9 a blah blah var. Saat 9'a blah blah var. Saat 10'a blah blah var. So as you see here, o, u, o, u. Also you can say I. Okay, guys. So I hope it's clear enough for you. Let's see some other examples. I hope it helps you. Look, on the right side you see English sentences and on the left Turkish ones. Look, if it's var, kala, it's in blue color. Okay, if it's past, so we use red colors, letters actually here. Okay, let's say them. So we don't have to say saat. Okay, we don't use it actually much, most of the time. We keep it short. Like example, 5 to 5, 10 to 10, 20 to 2, blah blah blah. We don't use it is like in English saying. So saat 5'e 5 var. You don't have to. That's why I just remove them here. Saat 5'e 5 var. Okay. Ona 10 var. You see the English translations here. 2'ye 20 var. 2'ye 20 var. Var. 11'e çeyrek var. 11'e çeyrek var. Or you can see the numbers here, 10:45 or quarter to 11. Okay. 9'u 5 geçiyor. 9'u 5 geçiyor. 9'a 5 var. Look, I give you two clear examples for you here. If we use here past, which is geçiyor, so I put u for this vowel. So if it's var, which means two, so I use here a. Okay, guys. I hope this is helpful for you guys. This is the end of our lesson. And I will try to make one more video about this suffixes actually, which sounds or seems kind of complicated. I will make it as clear as I can for you. And I hope you have a good time here for watching this video. If you guys have any comments, please don't forget to write and to us. Thanks for your time. Next time, see you. Bye.